Hey guys, it's Aunt Sam and I'm back here with Aunt Kyla and Uncle Alex, and we're going to show you how to properly paddle today and how to jump out of the kayak.
Now that you have your kayak in the water, you're ready to learn how to paddle. So what you're going to want to do is make sure that you're holding your paddle straight. You don't want your arms too far out or too close together because you might end up hurting yourself. So you want to hold it about perfectly straight like that. And when you're ready to paddle, you're going to take one side, you're going to put the paddle in the water towards the front of the kayak. And you're going to pull to the back. And you'll do that again on the other side. Now that you've practiced paddling straight, you can learn how to turn. So if you want to turn left, you're just going to paddle on the right side several times. If you want to turn to the right, you're going to paddle on the left. If you would like to paddle backwards, you're going to turn your paddle so that the curve is facing away from you. Then, you're going to point it all the way to the back of the kayak and pull forward.
Now you're going to push yourself up in your boat. As you're crouching, make sure you're balanced. And then, when you're ready, jump.
Alright guys, today was really fun. We hope you had fun watching this video because we had a lot of fun making it. Now, we want you to comment on what you think will happen to Uncle Alex. And if you subscribe, you'll be able to see exactly what happened. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time.